Yeah, bring you up. Yeah, come on.
특별했던 나를 왁박이게 한 건 너. 나를 거울 앞에서 세상이게 만들어버린 너. 예전엔 너 정도.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I believe you all are doing well. I know it's been a while I've not posted a video. I'm so sorry about that, and so many people have been messaging me asking me if there is any problem. Yes guys, there's no problem. I'm fine. It's just that I've been so kind of busy with personal life issues, families, you know. This is summer holiday and the kids are already on school holidays, so I'm just, you know, taking my time. I don't want to be in a rush kind of thing. So today I'm back with a new video. Today I'll be arranging my shoes. If you guys have noticed in my previous videos, I don't really have a specific place where I put my shoes, so they're just laying all over the place. So I've finally gotten something like a closet, if that makes sense, where I can actually put all my shoes, like arrange them to make them look nice, decent. When I'm done, I'll actually show you guys the final result, and I will try my best to be uploading more often, okay? And I'm so happy for your support. If you have been here all this while, I really appreciate you. And if you have taken your time to message me, thank you so much. I really appreciate it as well. And if you're here for the first time, please make sure to subscribe to support my channel to grow, okay? And if you have any video suggestions, that would be highly appreciated, because sometimes we don't have any ideas of what to create, you know. So and it's one of the problems content creators face. So if you are like that, don't feel alone. It's just normal thing, okay? So that will be it, guys.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves, it keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again. Sinking in, back on the shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But in that second, you're still mine. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. A sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep blue. I know I'm floating on this dream, but soon comes morning. For now I'll embrace our wondrous sea. deep within. Here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up,